Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to change default browser on your iPhone running iOS 18. So if you want to change your default browser from Safari to Google Chrome or Opera or Firefox, then let me show you how to do this. To change the default browser on your iPhone, you need to make sure you have one of the third-party browser installed like Chrome, Opera or Firefox. For myself, I've got Chrome installed already. So I want to change my default browser from Safari to Chrome. So to do this, you're going to go into Settings, scroll down until you see Apps. Next, you're going to find Safari, which is right here. Tap on it. Now here, you're going to go ahead and find Default Browser App. Now here, you'll get the list of all the browsers that are installed on your phone. So as you can see, I've got Chrome, Safari, and Opera installed. So to change my default browser to Chrome, or let's say for example Opera, I'll go ahead and tap on Opera and then go back. Now any apps that will want to open up a web page will open Opera as it has been set as a default browser app. So there you go, that is how to change the default browser on your iPhone running iOS 18. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.